Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in Thunkable. Blocks are the core of your app's functionality, allowing you to create interactive experiences without writing traditional code. Think of them as digital puzzle pieces that snap together. You'll drag and drop these blocks from the palette onto your workspace, building sequences that define how your app behaves. It's a powerful and intuitive way to bring your app ideas to life. Thunkable organizes blocks into helpful categories, making it easier to find what you need. You'll find event blocks for user interactions, like a button click, and control blocks to manage the flow of your app, such as if-then-else statements. Logic blocks help you make decisions, while math blocks handle all your numerical operations. Understanding these categories is key to efficiently building complex app features. To start building, simply drag the desired blocks from the left-hand palette onto your workspace. Notice how they visually snap together when compatible, forming a logical sequence. It's crucial to test your block logic often to catch any errors early. Don't forget to utilize variables. They are essential for storing and managing data within your app, allowing for dynamic and responsive functionality. As you become more comfortable, explore advanced block strategies. Creating custom functions allows you to encapsulate reusable code, making your projects cleaner and more efficient. Loops are incredibly powerful for repeating actions, saving you time and effort. Remember to debug your blocks by stepping through them to pinpoint any issues. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.